Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test out the auction stump grinder on the V1000. Got this a couple weeks ago. We started to put it on. It had some issues right away, so we're going to go over that real quick, fix that, and get this thing ready and see what she'll do. All right, so we got our auction stump grinder a couple weeks ago. Hooked it up to test it out, and as you can see, the head is pivoted all the way to the right. It never would pivot back left. So we suspect the switch is bad. So we ordered some. I'm going to swap that now and then hook it all back up, test it, and make sure that's all it was. All right, so we just got the new switch put in. The switch was bad, so that did fix our side-to-side issue. However, I'll go ahead and tell you, before you just hop on one of these, hook it up, and take off, you better do some test runs. Slow test run movements. These hoses, the way they're ran, it is an absolute nightmare. I know it looks like a nightmare. It is. You have to rerun them all completely. We hooked it up. I stood back there easing it side to side. Luckily, I'm here with my buddy, so he helped me. All right, we have found our first victim. It's a big boy. We didn't bring a saw to cut it closer to the ground. We're going to see what happens. All right, guys. Well, that's the auction stump grinder on the Direct V1000. That's a future brand. It did really well. If you'll notice in the videos, the side-to-side swing did not do well. The pressure is just so high, you barely touch the button and it's no bueno. So when I stopped using that, it started cutting a lot faster. Good thing about this machine is the auxiliary and the tracks are on different pumps, so I could run this wide open and track moving back and forth and not lose any pressure here. Also with the side swing, when I would swing side to side, I lost pressure on my head. So I don't like the side swing. That's just this stump grinder. I haven't tried any other stump grinder, so I don't know about them. They're probably fine. This is the first time I've ever run a stump grinder, if you couldn't tell. So tell me what I did wrong, how I can be better, more efficient. But I'm not a fan of the side swing just because the pressure's too high. I'm gonna look and see if I can find some valves to put on just that cylinder where I can turn it down. I think if I can do that and tweak it to where I can get it to go slow, I think it'd be great. Because the thing cut like a beast, just front to back, and me moving it side to side. But that's the V1000 with the stump grinder. I'll put this stump grinder on the auction machine, 23 horse, and see what it does. I can already tell you, I don't think it'll run it, but we're gonna find out. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.